Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We're in a special new listing here in the beautiful Grove Resort here in Winter Garden, right behind Disney World. We have a special new listing. It's actually one of these condo hotel units. On the 4th floor, we got a pond view, okay? So you see in the photos there, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, almost 1,400 square feet, and it's a great price, the best price right now out of all the units available. And very modern, all the furniture is included. Lots to offer here in the Grove. There's a whole amenity center. There's a flow rider, there's the gym, the water park, and again, you're like 5 minutes away from Disney World, so plenty to offer here. You can see there. And then back here at the main entrance, we have the grand lobby here with all the information booths. We also have a marketplace right here with coffee and groceries, very convenient. So everything's here on site. A lot of amenities. You got to come feel it in person, come check it out with the showing, call me, call my team, call your realtor, and let's do it. So again, Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com, Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We'll see you real soon.